Hey guys, so we got a really good welcome from the i30N intake video that we did, so I thought I'll try and get in front of the camera again and just have a little conversation about the Remus Exhaust System that we have on our own 30N that we've had now for exactly a year, which means we've had the Remus on it for a year as well. We had it on with about 4 hours of owning the vehicle. So I thought I'd just go through it, different options that's available now since this coming out. We've had the GPF models come out, we've had the fastback models come out, and of course Remus have released something for all of them, including PPF deletes. Which means that you guys can get just as much pops and bangs as I do. So I thought I'd just go through it again. So what we have is a full Remus exhaust system on the non-GPF model, so it's a cat back with the twin tailpipes, as you can see. And do you know what, it's really been took well by the public. A lot of people love this exhaust. I get compliments on it regularly. I've even had people stop me at traffic lights and made me feel a bit like I was driving a Ferrari or something. So what we have on our system is the carbon tips. We do have others available. We've got the slash cut chrome, we've got the carbon with the titanium inserts with what we run. We've got like a polished chrome which has got a real nice look to it, especially if you like something that stands out. And we've also got this black colour now that's come in, which looks fantastic on the rear splitter that the i30N's got. It really blends in well with it, giving that person looks like that OEM plus look. But all very different compared to the original system and the original tailpipes. So what we love about the i30N is its everyday use. It's perfect for that person that likes to use different modes on the i30N. It works really well in the N mode as well, giving all the pops and bangs that it did originally, but being a lot louder, but giving it a lot more pressure. So it's been really developed for this car. If anyone knows much about Remus, they spend millions of pounds a year on development. They have their own testing facility, they've got dynos, they've got tracks, and they really do work what's best for the car, not just what's best to listen to. What they always say is they don't create noise, they create sound, and if you ever go to the factory or if you ever experience a Remus, it's something they really do well, and they do take pride in it. So what I've got for you is a couple of different tips. So what I've got for you was a couple of the tips, the most popular tips that I thought I would bring in to show you guys. This is the slash cut chrome, and as you can see it's a beautiful, really shiny, and it sits really well into the back of the car when you get it on. I've got some photos of it on there, so we'll put them up. And then we've got again what we're running, so this is the titanium insert with the carbon surround, which is just fantastic. And like I said, been on the car a year now and they still look absolutely brand new. Something most people don't know about the Remus systems is the adjustability on the back. Because of the way they're built, you can adjust the tips to sit in or out of the car, giving it that really good look there.